In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $1,000 per day. This is literally, guys, what I do on a daily basis. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo, and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to your channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently, and I don't want you guys to miss a video. Okay, first of all, you need to understand something. If you don't believe that you can earn $1,000 per day, you need to change your mindset, okay? Because everything is start with belief. Everything is start with understanding that everybody has the potential. Success is literally a decision away. And you need to be committed with that decision if you want to really achieve your goals, okay? Because nowadays, most people, whenever they are starting, making money, in this case, online, they don't fail. They just quit. Most of the time they just quit too soon. They don't treat this as, as a real way to earn money online. They're just doing it just to give it a try and treat it like as a hobby. And if you are not really committed with yourself, you're not really committed with your success, those are the results that are going to come. Okay. So you need to understand that. You need to understand that everything starts with your mindset. I believe you can do it, and you should believe you can do it as well. Okay. If $1,000 for you sounds like a lot, which is not, okay, consider maybe other amounts, maybe $100 per day, maybe $500 per day until you feel comfortable. Okay. Now, let me share with you my screen because I actually want to make sure that we are actually on the same page. Okay. As I mentioned before, we're going to be talking about how to make $1,000 per day. And this is going to be working from home. Everybody can do it as long as you have the commitment with yourself, as long as you have the commitment with your success. Trust me, you can do it. This is not rocket science. Okay, exactly what do? I do something that it's called affiliate marketing. In a nutshell, affiliate marketing is where you go and you recommend other people products and services. Nowadays, okay, nowadays, more than 80% of the companies online have an affiliate program. Literally, if you go to Google and you type the name of the company plus affiliate, you're going to find an affiliate program. You're going to find an affiliate program for Nike, Walmart, Target, Best Buy, IKEA, Booking.com, every company in every niche. Okay. But which are the most profitable niches? Just in case that you're wondering, okay, you can promote literally everything and anything. But the most profitable niches nowadays are the health, wealth, and relationships. The reason why is because we are helping people solve a problem. Okay. We are helping people solve a problem. Okay. If you are sick, you're going to be looking for the solution. Okay. Just to put it away. Okay. So literally health, wealth, and relationships. But not every product is equal. Okay. Okay. You need to understand that this and this is actually happening everywhere. Okay. They are low ticket. They are high ticket. Okay. And they are recurring. Okay. What does this means? Okay, you can be promoting a low ticket product, okay, a product that chances are that you're going to be earning a 3% commission, 5% commission. So if you're promoting a product that the customer is paying $100, you are going to be earning $3, okay? 3%, $3. High ticket, on the other side, is a product in which you are going to be earning you know, a $1,000 commission. Okay. And just in case that you're like right now, like, whoa, 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 what? There are companies out there who are paying $1,000 commission. Yes, even way more. It's like if you have a real estate, let's say that you are, a salesperson on real estate, you have a lot of options. You have townhouses. Okay. You have an apartment. You have condos. Okay, you have penthouse, you have mansions. Not everybody is going to go after a mansion, but if you don't have it, your competition is going to get that sale. Okay, it's exactly the same here. Not because a person can afford to buy, I don't know, let's say a $5 million mansion. Okay, to put it in a way, that person is not going to buy 10 apartments. It doesn't work that way. Yes, he or she can afford it and even way more, but they're not going to buy it because that's not what they're looking for. They have specific needs, expectations, things that they want, you know, and the mansion is the thing that they want. So it's the same here. Okay. So take that into consideration. Another kind of offer here is what we call recurrent or recurring commissions. Okay. With the recurring commissions, it's like right now you're using the internet. You went to the company one time, you sign up the contract, and you're going to be paying every single month. Okay. You're going to be paying every single month. Just walk in. Chances are like years ago, and you're paying every single month after month after month. The same here. Okay. You're going to be referring someone. That person is going to be paying every single month. And as long as that person is a customer, you are going to be earning a commission. Okay. So that's with affiliate marketing. Now, something really important. Which are the income producing activities? By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently. And remember, I don't want you guys to miss a video. If you want to learn more about what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. So now, Diana, which are the income producing activities? Because it's really easy to get distracted because, we're online. Okay, we're online. We have access to a lot of information. Okay, we do have access to a lot of information, and chances are that you're wondering, like, hey, what do you do on the daily basis? Is this something that you can do when you have a full-time job, when you have a family? Okay, the short answer is yes. I'm going to be sharing with you my experience. Okay, most people don't know about this, but back in 2007, I used to have a really popular blog network. Okay, I was doing that in English and in Spanish. But unfortunately, after a couple of years, I don't remember exactly how many years now, but yeah, about 6 years after that, you know, my company was really established. I have sponsors. A blog is a really great business model. There's a lot of opportunities like any other thing, but unfortunately, I met the wrong person at the wrong time. I suffered a huge scam. Okay. But my mindset was the one that was really compromised. So, if you ever have some kind of responsibilities with your banks and all the stuff, that they don't care who used the money, is the thing is under your name, you better pay it. So that was my case. So at the end of the day, I sold my business. I had to find not one, but two full-time jobs. And my mindset was super broken. I was like, Jesus Christ, this is happening to me. It was all my fault. I was so naive and all this stuff. So I was blaming myself 24/7. But there was a time I was like, you know what? I want to go back in line. I want to give it a try. I want to give it a shot again. So I test different things and until I found, affiliate marketing because you can imagine with two full-time jobs, I hardly have time to eat. And because of the debts, I had two great positions in these two companies, but I was living paycheck to paycheck and barely making it to, um, to the end of the month. So I was looking to do maybe earn a couple of $100. I was not looking to replace my full-time job. And I was not looking to have a third job. I was looking to spend 1, 2 hours per day, you know, and earning money that way. So my income producing activities until today is this. I create content. Nowadays, it's way easier than when I get started because, you can go and when I get started with affiliate marketing was on 2017. To keep the story short, guys, I was able to replace 2 full-time jobs. Okay, because I have a really huge commitment with myself, really huge commitment with my success. So it is possible. Okay, but again, you need to make the decision. Nowadays, you can create 5 to 7 second videos and put it on Instagram Reels, Facebook Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. You don't even need to show your face. You don't even need to talk. That's how powerful things have changed nowadays. Yeah, can you do it with AI? Yeah, definitely you can do it with AI. I prefer to have my personal brand, but that's actually, my personal decision. I also have this YouTube channel, which I enjoy creating content. That's the reason why you need to align with a niche that you know that you don't need to be a guru, but something that you like so you can be creating content on a daily basis. Okay. This is like if you are trying, to lose some weight and you go to the gym, you need to do it, really consistently. Okay. So besides that, I have an opt-in page. This is a 2-step system that you set it once and literally you forget it. Okay. In which you're going to be asking people for their name and email. Okay. And then you're going to show them the product or service that you're promoting. Because with this, you can have a real passive system if you combine it with email marketing. Because again, email marketing is something that you can configure once and you can forget it. But if you are, someone who is treating this as a business, you can understand by now that you can promote as many products, as many services as you want. Okay. Because you have a lot of opportunities. Okay. If you're talking about a specific niche, that person is going to, it's going to be interesting on different things, right? It's like if someone is looking to purchase the mansion, they need furniture, right? Maybe they need someone who is going to be taking care of the garden. Maybe they need maids, butlers. I'm just making it up. I don't have a mansion, okay? But I'm pretty sure that those are the things that you need. And if you are someone who provide those services, or in this case, someone who do provide those services, and you can refer that person in exchange for the commission, it's amazing. And this is literally how you can be making money while you're asleep. But again, you need to be committed with yourself. You need to be committed with your success. Okay. So remember, if you want to learn more about this, I'm going to be leaving a link below. Okay. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.